I got broads in Atlanta. Just at the lean.
Yo YouTubers, this is Ree. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from PC to PC using LAN. Okay, this is PC1. First you must have three things. First PC1, PC2, and a LAN connection. Okay, this is PC1. Let's go. Go to network and internet settings. In the sharing options, make sure turn on all these sharing options. Turn on file and printer sharing, turn on network discovery, turn on file printer sharing. Okay, turn this also on, turn on sharing public file sharing connection, use this 128-bit. Okay, make sure you turn off the password protected sharing, turn off. Okay, let's go. Then change network adapter options. In there, Ethernet, and go to properties. In there, click the IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following IP: 192.168.1. Okay, here 10. Subnet mask, it's default. Okay, then click the sharing tab. Make sure you allow all. Make sure tick those two. Okay, done. Let's go to PC2. Okay guys, this is PC2. Let's do the same as we did in PC1. Okay, the content settings, sharing options. Turn on this and turn on this. Make sure you turn off the password protected sharing. Okay, change adapter options, Ethernet properties, IPv4. Use the following IP. Okay, here in PC1 we put 10, here 20, 2030 like that. Let's put 20. Okay, subnet mask is same. This is the difference between PC1 and PC2. Only we have to change this only. Okay, close. Make sure you check the properties and share. Make sure you allow. You tick this too. Close. Okay. Okay, let's skip Windows plus R. Put the PC1 IP 192.168.110. Okay, let's share some files. Make sure you transfer or not. Okay, I'm sharing this file to PC1 to access this with people. Everyone have read and write. Share. Okay, done. Let's check PC1. Okay guys, this is PC1. Okay, let's check Windows plus R. Put the PC2 IP address 192.168.120. Okay, I shared this file. It came. Okay, let's see it can transfer or not. Okay, done. make sure you like and subscribe, make sure you comment. Okay, thank you guys.